Calcination. One more method for the conversion of ore into metal oxide. Calcination is the process in which the concentrated ore is strongly heated in the absence of air. In roasting process, the concentrated ore can be roasted in presence of air, but in calcination process, the concentrated ore can be roasted in absence of air. In presence of air is called roasting process. In absence of air is called calcination process. In both process, we can convert the ore into metallic oxide. During calcination process, water molecule present in the ore escapes as moisture. Suppose the ore particle, it may contain organic matter, it also expelled behind a porous ore. This calcination method can be also carried out by passing a limited supply of air. For example, suppose now I take the carbonate ore, which means it liberates the carbon dioxide gas during the calcination process. Lead carbonate, which undergo decomposition, which gives lead oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. The reaction is BbCO3 gives BbO plus CO2. Calcium carbonate also undergo decomposition, which gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. That reaction CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. Third one, zinc carbonate also decomposes in calcination process to give zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. That reaction Zn CO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. Fourth one, MgCO3 CaCO3. Magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate undergo calcination process. It gives MgO, magnesium oxide plus CaO, calcium oxide plus 2CO2. So the carbonate ore can be calcinated, which liberates carbon dioxide gas by the formation of metallic oxide. Suppose now I take the hydrated form of ore. It can be expels the water molecule. For example, Fe2O3 3H2O. It is heated, which undergo the decomposition process to form Fe2O3 plus 3H2O. Similarly, Al2O3 2H2O, bauxite ore, one of the important ore of aluminium, which also decomposes to form Al2O3 plus 2H2O by the formation of alumina and the escapes of water vapor. Reduction of metal oxide. Second step for the extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. Metal oxide is reduced into crude metal by using suitable reducing agent like carbon, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminium, and other reactive metals like sodium, potassium, etc. can be used as a reducing agent. How can we select the reducing agent? The selection of reducing agent depends on the nature of the metal. For example, carbon cannot be used as a reducing for the reactive metals like sodium, potassium, aluminum, and etc. In the similar way, carbon monoxide cannot be used for the reduction of metallic oxide such as zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. Why these reducing agent carbon and carbon monoxide suitable for this reduction process? It can be explained by using the elegant diagram.